So finally got some better batteries. I don't know what these batteries are called, but it's just some Chinese knockoff. They're called Toshiba, and oh my god, they even have a, it's called this, let me get that into focus. So if they have this Chinese, they call this, yeah, that should be good. So I don't know, they say they have a Great Britain standard, it seems they're just Chinese knockoffs. And the battery also for the remote also works well, so just running some tests. Has a problem moving forward, I don't know why, but there's something here that seems to be stopping the wheel. You notice like the wheel is being stopped. Yeah, it's just something that has a problem there. So the front wheels seem okay, the back wheels problem. So yeah, that's pretty much it for now. So I'll quickly just open it up, see what's causing these wheels not to spin. Alright, so that's for now. Let me see what can do to solve this. Oh.